my channel. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can use egg white on your skin to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. This is going to help to reduce wrinkles on the forehead. It's going to help to lift those cheekbones. It's going to help to get rid of your sagging jawline. And it's also good for your sagging neckline. And it is also great for wrinkles. I'm going to be whipping this up with some other vital ingredient. And guess what, guys? I'm going to share a live demonstration showing you how best to use this on the skin. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen. However, before I jump in the kitchen, if this is your first time, if you're new to my channel, take a look below. You're going to see the word subscribe in red. Just click on it. It's as easy as that. You are subscribed. Don't forget to watch the video to the end, and don't forget to leave a comment. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. To begin, I'm going to prep the ingredient, and my first ingredient to prep is the aloe vera gel. To get the aloe vera gel from the leaf, I'm going to use about 3 ounces of fresh aloe vera leaf. Now cut both ends like I'm showing here. Take your knife, go right under as close as possible to the top leaf, and next let's reach for my bowl, and I'm just going to cut it out. Just cut the gel out like I'm showing here. You can also choose to scrape it out. I personally prefer to cut it out. Now, aloe vera helps to clear pigmentation on the skin. It is rich in vitamin C. It helps to hydrate the skin. It's good for sunburn, and it is also amazing to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. Once I'm done prepping the aloe vera gel, what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend it to a gel-like consistency. So place the gel in a small blender, and next I'm going to reach for some liquid. I'm going to use some rose water, and rose water is hydrating and help to balance the natural pH level of the skin. So I'm using about a tablespoon of the rose water, pouring this in the blender with the aloe vera gel, and next I'm going to blend. Now take a look at the freshly blended aloe vera gel. This is what we're going to use for our facial mask. Let's set it aside and reach for the egg. And what we're using from the egg is only the egg white. So we're going to separate the egg yolk from the egg white, and you can choose to separate it however is best for you. Now here we have our egg white, and that completes the prepping of the 2 ingredients. What I'm going to do next is reach for some lemon peel, and here I have some dried lemon peel. So I'm going to take my lemon peel, and I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of the dried lemon peel. I'm going to add this to the bowl with the egg white. Lemon peel is rich in vitamin C, and vitamin C helps to clear hyperpigmentation, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it also helps the skin to look healthy with a natural glow. I'm going to be whisking the egg white along with the lemon peel. So reach for a whisk, or you can even choose to put this in a blender and blend to a creamy consistency. Now while we're mixing, let's talk a little bit about egg. We're using the egg to lift, tighten, and firm the skin. When you use the egg on the skin, you can see instant result. Egg is amazing because it also is rich in protein that will help your skin to look more firmer, and it will help your skin to have a supple, smooth appearance. Now take a look. Here we have our freshly blended egg white and lemon peel. This we are now going to mix with our other ingredient. So now let's reach for a small bowl, and we're going to reach for our aloe vera gel. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of the fresh aloe vera gel, Add this to the bowl. Next, we're reaching back for our lemon and egg white, and we're going to use about a tablespoon of the lemon and egg white. And now we're going to reach for our fork or our whisk, and we're going to blend the two together. So we are blending aloe vera gel, egg white, lemon peel, and some rose water. This is now ready to use on the skin. I suggest that you use this fresh on the skin. Do not store this. Go ahead and apply it right away. Now you can choose to apply this with a brush, or you can choose to apply it with your hands. I like to use a brush to apply mine, and I like to actually apply 2 layers. So apply a first layer, let it sit on the skin for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then go back in and apply a second layer on the skin. This is going to dry on the skin, and while it is drying on the skin, you're going to feel a tightening sensation on the skin. This is going to help to lift, tighten, and firm your skin. Go ahead and use this 2 to 3 times per week. Give it time to work on the skin. However, the very first time you use it on your skin, you will notice a significant difference. Rinse off with cold water, pat dry the skin, and use your favorite skincare products. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. You like the video? Don't forget to leave a comment. Their comments are always important, so comment and share this on your social media page. What other ingredient would you add to this recipe? Thank you all, and I'll see you in my next video.